I'm going to show you how you can earn $30 per hour into your PayPal account by just watching videos online. And we're gonna start right now. What's up everybody, this is Rifat Abu Hassan. In this channel, I share with you different ways of making money online and generating passive income. For this video, make sure to keep watching till the end because I'm going to share with you 3 websites that you can make money with by just watching videos. Now, all of us spend tons of time watching many videos, many sort of videos online. Cute cats, animation, magic cooking, or how to get rich. And that's basically what you're doing now, right? Watching videos on YouTube. And that's kind of what I do also. So why not leveraging our watching time and get paid for watching videos? Now, all these 3 websites you can sign up for free and get paid via PayPal. Now, how does it work? And why would someone pay you for just watching videos? And that's a good question, my friend. You see, companies and individuals who have websites and programs, they consistently need to improve their content. So they go and search for those companies that have individuals who can test the contents and watch videos of those websites and the programs. And here, my friend, where you can benefit from this. So you can go and register with those websites that I'm going to share with you today, watch these videos and provide your feedback and then get paid. Now you need to give honest feedback and tell your opinion, you guys. And don't be shy to tell what you think, because remember, what they are interested in is to improve their websites and their programs. And that's all based on your feedback. Because remember, what they are interested in is to improve their products and service by making the necessary changes based on your feedback. So basically tell about what's going on, what you think that's right, what you like, what you don't like, what you think that needs improvement, and all of this information would be good feedback for them. Now, there are lots of illegitimate websites that are similar to those that I'm going to share with you in this video. Lots of websites that are really not reliable. They don't pay on time, lots of scam, and that's why I wanted to make sure that you don't fall into any of those websites by providing you with these websites that I believe are some of the best out there, that have solid platform, good paying rate and pay on time, and also fun to work with. And above that, there is no skills required to work with those websites. No resume to submit, or you don't have to fill any application forms. So let's jump into these websites. So the first website that we're going to talk about is called userfeel.com. In this website, you can earn $10 per test that will take approximately between 10 and 20 minutes. And the good thing about this website, you guys, is you can do many tasks. You can test websites, softwares, application, and also watching videos. And there are lots of people actually benefiting from this platform to earn money. They have approximately 40,000 testers that speak about 40 languages, you guys. So you can actually perform the tests not only in English, but in virtually any language you know. And they have here a good how does it work video that you can check. And basically you can use whatever device you need. You can work from your laptop or desktop or smartphone. But as a personal preference, I always encourage you to do it on your laptop or your desktop because it's much easier. So when you register with this website, you will be asked to take a qualification test in which you will be asked to imagine a given scenario and perform a certain tasks like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. And once you've done that, you will also need PayPal account. So you need your PayPal account because that's how they will pay you your money. So once you get your qualification test done and your PayPal account set up, you will be able to come to this website and find the latest offer tasks so that you can grab what's relevant to you and start testing and earning money. The second website that we're going to talk about is called Userlytics. And this website is a great website that's been there for a while. And again, you can also test different things, including videos that you need to watch and give your feedback. So steps for working with this website are simple. You first register by filling a simple and easy form. And then you take the test on desktop or mobile phone, and you will need to speak your thoughts and emotions out loud as you do so, and also answer a few questions. And after you finish that, you will get paid via PayPal. So they will pay you anywhere from $5 to $20 per task or per test. But in rare occasions, they might be willing to pay you up to $90 per test, depending on the nature of the test and the freely expression of your sincere opinion. Remember what we said initially, to provide your honest opinion and feedback, because that's what they care about, right? These websites pays a lot of attention to the quality of the feedback they are getting and are willing to pay up to $90 for that. The third website, guys, is usertesting.com. And this website will pay you the most out of the three websites. They will pay you up to $60 per test. And you can also test different things, videos, applications, and websites. And the way it works is they will pay you $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video that you complete. So say you watch 3 videos in an hour, so that's $30. And if you do this for about 4 hours a day, that's $120 per day, which is translated into $600 per week, you guys. That's how powerful this is. So scrolling down, you can see that User Tester has been used by big brands in the market, big well-known brands all over the internet. And one of the good features that they have is that they accept testers from all around the world, which is a really advantage for you. And they pay fairly well. In 4 to 5 days, your money will be deposited into your PayPal account. So here you go, guys. This can be really fun. Sometimes we visit websites and notice that something is not right or funny or sometimes stupid, and we wish that the website's owners make it better. Now you can be part of that solution and get paid for that, which is really awesome. As you can see, guys, it's fairly easy and don't require any skills or extra effort. All you need to do is spend some time watching these videos and provide your feedback. And guys, you can make a good amount of money if you concentrate on watching the videos for a couple of hours or so. Now, here's a disclaimer here. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It won't get you rich, but it will help you to make some extra dollars on the side for yourself. Now, here's a tip for you if you are thinking of earning more and more money online. Once you get the ball rolling and start earning some money with this strategy, if you are into online business, I recommend you to reinvest that money into internet marketing and start earning serious amount of money. So use that money to multiply your income and get the ball rolling for you. And that way you can earn even bigger and bigger amount of money online. And if you are interested, I will leave my #1 recommendation to earn money online for you in the description below. Hey guys, let me know in the description below if you need further details on any of the websites mentioned in this video, and I will do a separate video for that. Thank you guys for watching. This is Rifat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.